Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you a new tool that I found, Icomoon. And what it does is it allows you to create custom font icon packs for your applications. And I found that it's very versatile and allows you to integrate a lot of awesome libraries like their own Icomoon packs and Font Awesome and tons of other icon libraries into a great custom pack for your app. Now, I'll show you a Font Awesome first because this is what I used to use and a lot of people do use. And it's a great tool to just use the things that they pre-built for you. But what we're going to be showing you is the awesome custom tool, Icomoon. So you go to icomoon.io, then you go to Icomoon app, and you'll see all these icons. And then you can select and deselect your icons from all these different libraries to create your icon pack. So the application that we're going to be doing is a basic house listing application. And what it has is just a house name, it's got the owner name, it's got the price and location. And we're replacing these three with icons, and we're going to be adding a house icon before the name. So we'll use this search, type in house, we'll get a house icon. We'll start with this map marker. We'll get this business guy for the owner. And we'll grab this money icon for the price. You go to font, and it shows you all the icons that you selected. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to rename these to match the names of the fields and the model that I have for my application. And then you can go to preferences, and you actually have the icon prefix here. So when you call on the icon element the class, and you pass in icon dash, you just pass in the name of the particular icon, and it will put in the correct icon. And then this is just the name of the zip that you download. Then we're going to hit download. Saves it to icons1. And then now we need to integrate into your Rails application. And this is where my friend has created an awesome gist of a rake task that automatically takes a Icomoon zip file and puts it into your Rails app. So you go to your lib tasks, and we'll create a icons.rake file. Pass in that gist, and what it does is it takes the zip and it creates the corresponding font folders and font files and puts them into your font folder in your vendor assets, and it creates the SCSS file in your style sheets vendor folder. And if you don't already have a fonts folder in your vendor assets, you do need to create this before running your rake task. There we go. And then another thing related to this particular rake task is the Icomoon zip has to be in your downloads folder. So what you do is you run rake icons update, pass an array, and then we'll grab the name of the last one that I downloaded. Pass that in, and then hit run. And then it worked. So what you can see that it did is it created the font folders. They're the font files. And it created the SCSS file. And you can see that it creates all the classes that we need. So when you call icon location, icon house, it puts the corresponding icon in there. So what we're going to need to do is now replace these labels with the corresponding icons. Put the price here, location, and then we'll add the house icon right before the name. And I've already styled all this because I didn't want to focus on that, but you can style this however you want. restart my Rails server. Oh, and make sure to require the SCS or the CSS file from the vendor assets. So it's called icons in the vendor file. And then we'll go over to the application and hit refresh. And then there you go. You see all these beautiful icons there. And their icons are fantastic. You can do so much with them. You can change their color. Let's make them green. You can change their font size. They're very versatile. They're amazing tools. You can actually even add a text shadow. And they're just fantastic. Very, very versatile tools. So we're going to keep the stylings as we had before. So they're going to be just black. And so now, what if you want to update these icons? Well, the rake task is perfect for that too. Awesome tool that he made. So let's go back and let's change all these icons to new icons that I want instead. So let's go to location. Let's get rid of that, and we'll go with this instead. Person. Change this out for like this guy. Money. We'll change that out for that. And house. And we'll do that guy. Go to font. I'm going to rename these again back to the corresponding names that I had before. And because I'm naming the same exact things when I run the rake task, it's actually going to automatically update them without me having to do anything. Then let's hit download. Go back to the terminal. Get the rake task again. Change this to 2 because that's the name of the new zip that we just downloaded. Run the rake task. And there you go. And all the icons changed. So if you ever want to download custom icons from for your application and name them custom for your app, this is a great tool with a great rake task to easily integrate into your Rails app.